Hi, welcome to the Ocean Science and Beauty channel. Today we will explore the history, definition, differences and similarities of latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude are imaginary lines used to describe the location of any place on Earth. They form a global coordinate system that helps with mapping, navigation, and understanding geography. Together, they create a grid that allows every location on Earth to be identified using numbers. The idea of latitude and longitude goes back to ancient times. Early scholars studied the Earth and the stars to understand how to measure positions. One of the earliest contributors was Eratosthenes, who calculated the size of the Earth and introduced early geographic ideas. Later, Hipparchus improved the system by creating a grid based on angles. He is often called the father of latitude and longitude. Another important figure, Claudius Ptolemy, expanded this system and wrote about it in his book Geographia, helping spread the use of coordinates around the world. Latitude measures how far a place is north or south of the equator. The equator is an imaginary horizontal line that divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. Latitude lines are called parallels because they run side by side and never meet. They go around the Earth from east to west. Latitude is measured in degrees, from 0 degrees at the equator up to 90 degrees at the North Pole and 90 degrees at the South Pole. Locations north of the equator are labeled N, while those south are labeled S. Longitude measures how far a place is east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian is an imaginary vertical line that passes through Greenwich, England, and represents 0 degree in longitude. Longitude lines are called meridians. Unlike latitude lines, meridians are not parallel, they meet at the poles. Longitude is measured from 0 degrees up to 180 degrees east and 180 degrees west. Locations east of the prime meridian are labeled E, while those west are labeled W. Latitude and longitude differ in several ways. Latitude lines run horizontally, while longitude lines run vertically. Latitude measures distance north or south of the equator, while longitude measures distance east or west of the prime meridian. Latitude lines are parallel and evenly spaced, but longitude lines meet at the poles. Latitude ranges from 0 degrees to 90 degrees north or south, while longitude ranges from 0 degrees to 180 degrees east or west. Despite their differences, latitude and longitude also share similarities. Both are imaginary lines used to locate places on Earth. Both are measured in degrees and are part of a global coordinate system. Neither is useful alone for exact location, but together they form a coordinate pair that identifies a specific point. They also work together to form a grid that covers the Earth's surface. In conclusion, latitude and longitude are important tools for locating places on Earth. Latitude shows how far north or south a place is, while longitude shows how far east or west it is. Although they are different, they work together to create a system that helps us accurately find any location using simple numbers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the Ocean Science Beauty channel. Take care and see you in the next video.